So I just woke up and opened the Steam market today and saw that the Stockholm Challengers capsule has just absolutely blown out of the water, hitting a high of 50 cents on the dot and still managing to hover around that range for the time being. But there's absolutely no price action in any of the other Stockholm capsules. So today I'm going to talk about exactly what is going on and if we'll see it happen in the other capsules soon. So as always, if you do enjoy, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, and check out my sponsor, Skin Club. Skin Club is a CSGO case opening site with over 100 unique cases, a battle game mode, and my personal favorite, with much better odds than the CSGO case opening system, the upgrade system. Today, I tried to upgrade my Shadow Daggers I got from last time into a Stat Track Vulcan and unfortunately missed it, but after doubling up from last time, that's not too surprising. Most importantly though, it is all completely provably fair, so you know you're not getting ripped off. So be sure to sign up to Skin Club today with that link at the top of the description and get a 7% bonus on your first deposit. Also, of course, only be 18 or older if you want to use Skin Club. But for now, let's get right into the video. So first of all, I just want to say that this entire move happened in a very short period of time. It only took a few hours for these capsules to go from 36 cents to 50. It was literally overnight, almost a 40% increase as well. Once again, note that we have not seen this in any of the other capsules yet. Part of the reason for this is because throughout its entire existence, the Challengers capsule has had the lowest amount of supply on the Steam market. I remember in earlier videos I made that it had 5% of the supply of the Legends capsule, and now it only has 2% of the Legends capsule supply on the market, which is crazy. For comparison, supply right now in it is still a hell of a lot lower than other capsules, obviously because of this massive amount being bought up on the market and the price increase that came with it, but for comparison, the Contenders capsule is still sitting in the 30,000s, Finalist capsule in the 50s, but only at 28 cents, which leads me to believe people don't like it as much as the other capsules. Then the Champions at around 77,000 and the Legends capsule at around 370,000. So what I would ideally like to see out of this for, well, obviously all the other capsules to follow suit and have spikes like this as well, number one. But I think the most likely outcome is that if we do see an increase in other capsules, Contenders are looking like they're next in line in my eyes. Second lowest supply, I think the 34-cent price point shows that people like them already, but the thing is, for something like this to happen, we've got to see a massive amount of these things bought up on the market for whatever reason. Like, I can't tell you the exact reason this many were bought with the Challengers capsule. Whether you want to call it market manipulation or whatever it is, either way it happened. It can happen again, but it's not something you want to bet on, and it's not something I can say is 100% gonna happen. It's not something anyone can predict. If you buy at this point, it's literally just a gamble that you think something like this will happen. At this point in time, I would say that number one, if you own Challengers capsules, I would at least sell a pretty big portion of the supply that you own. Sure, they can keep going up, but at this point, 100% increase in just a span of a few weeks is as good as you can ask for with these capsules, and there's no reason to push it because, in my eyes, the amount of gain you could get at this point is a lot less rewarding than the loss you can have because they've gone up so much so quickly. As for the other capsules, I would absolutely hold onto them for a bit longer. Once again, no guarantee that we'll see price action like we saw with the Challengers capsule, but it is very possible that we see some people have fear of missing out on a big investment, causing a big price increase in the other capsules now that everyone has seen the Challengers capsule spike up. Either way, definitely wouldn't be buying at this point, as I've said for the past few months. If you wanted to get in on these things, do it when they're on sale and they're in game at 25 cents. Because no matter what, even if you're at this point in time, you're going to sell for a slight profit or possibly even a bigger one if you wait, and worst case scenario, you'll probably sell it break even. So at this point, if you haven't gotten in on these things or you're upset that you've missed this 100% price increase in Challengers capsules, you can absolutely use this information for the next major, which is set to start on May 9th. So really not too far out, and it's always best to know what you should be doing before an actual event starts so you're not just acting out of emotion. But First of all, we've definitely learned that supply is really important. Even if something like the Legends capsule has the most notable teams and maybe the best looking stickers, if supply in that Legends capsule is 50 times as much of a capsule like the Challengers, it's most likely just not going to see as many explosive moves as the Challengers capsule has so far. But this time around, people are kind of scared off because of RMR and how much everything was invested into, so that's definitely something we're going to have to wait and see and keep in mind. What is the supply going to look like next time? Is the Challengers capsule going to be really low in supply? And of course, what are the stickers going to look like? Are people even going to want to invest in these? Do they like the stickers like this time around? It's no guarantee. It's just something I gotta warn you guys about because, once again, it's much better to know earlier than later. But there is 100% gonna be opportunities to make easy money when the next major comes around. People can keep saying major investing is dead and all this, but if we're seeing a capsule double in price in just a few weeks, there's obviously still opportunities for profits. You just gotta pay attention to a lot more specific details now, and there isn't guaranteed profit in everything. But the thing as well is, with stickers in the Challengers capsule, if you're sitting on a ton of stickers after doing an unboxing or you just stocked up, I absolutely, at this point, think they can do really well in the long term as well, since supply is so low, or at least until we get closer to the next major and then people start selling them off. But it honestly surprises me how low supply is in these stickers. But once again, just really important information to keep in mind for the next major. In something like the Challengers capsule, once again, low supply is going to result in more explosive moves, especially when it's a capsule with stickers that people like. The Mouse Hollow has actually looked really strong since going on sale. It's a great sticker for crafts, sticker that people have proven they like, so next time around, if we see similar supply, similar capsules with low supply with stickers that people like, good, I guess we could call them craft stickers, like the mouse sticker, Entro Pick is another one that people like, and I'm sure there's others that I can't think of off the top of my head right now, but either way, they could very easily be a quick flip for a really solid return and possibly look even better in the long term, but we'll have to wait and see, even though they have been looking really strong so far. And either way, I recommend keeping your eye on these stickers, these sticker capsules, seeing how high they can go, and especially keeping an eye on their supply and how it compares to next time around. But for now, I think that does cover everything that I wanted to go over in this video. So as always, if you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And for now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.